Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. My name is Ayman Sheikh and today in this video we will learn how to use index function, where to use index function. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So here we have a data set where we have the item names, we have the item ID, the quantity like how many items are left and what is the price of that item. So now index function will give you like whatever series number you will write in the formula, you will get the value of that number. So you can see that on the first row you have a pen, then in second row you have a pencil, then in third row you have eraser, like that way. In this also in third column, like this is the first column of the data set, second column and the third column. So in third column you can see that you have 67. Third column and first row is having 67 as the value. So now if you want to know that what is in the third row or third column, that depends on how you add your formula. So we will first write equal to, then we will type the formula as an index. So now here you can see that we have the index. So you can click on this index and now that index formula is in the cell, or else you can press tab. So once you are pressing the tab, you can see the two index formula. This is array, then row number and column number, whichever you want to add. And the another one is reference, row number, column number and the area number. So we will see both the formulas one by one. So right now we are using this formula for one dimension data. So suppose if you just have this C column as your data point, so I will select the array and comma, I will select the row number. I have already added in this H3 column and I will press enter. So here you can see 3 as the eraser. So first is pen, second is pencil and third is the eraser. What if I write here 5? So you can see that on fifth we have compass as the value. So this we have applied for column. Now if you want to apply this for row, so we will just change this. I've selected now this row and I am writing 5. So it is giving me as a reference error because at the 5 we don't have any data set. So now I will just write 3. So you can see that on the third cell we have 67 as the value. So this was for one dimension data set. Either you have single row or a single column. Now we will apply the same formula for two dimension data set. So here I have written a row number and a column number and I want to fetch the value for that particular row and column. So I will press equal to index and then I will press the tab function to get that formula in the cell. After that I am selecting the reference and comma. I am selecting row number from this cell. I am selecting column number from this cell and I will complete the parenthesis. So now you can see that row number is 5. So this is the first row, then second row, third, then fourth and fifth row. And fifth row you want the column number as 1. So you can see that we have compass. What if I say as a column number as 3? So you can see that fifth row is compass 1 row and the 3 column. So we are getting 71 as the value. So through the index function, you can easily fetch the values of a particular row or a column in a one dimension data set and in a two dimension. So that's all for this video. See you in next video.